If you want to double your income this year, you don't need to start a fake AI dropshipping store and you don't need to run a faceless YouTube channel. The people actually using AI to build real wealth right now are doing it through something called corporate arbitrage. Every time you open TikTok or YouTube shorts, a fake guru, whatever you want to call it, is screaming at you to buy their $500 course on how to make passive income with AI. They make it sound like you can just click a button and ChatGPT will magically build a six-figure business for you while you sleep. It's complete garbage. Starting a brand new business from scratch is incredibly difficult, and trying to do it in an industry you know nothing about just because an AI can write the emails is a recipe for burnout. Here is the reality check, right? The highest ROI or return on investment you will ever get from AI isn't using it to start a side hustle. It is using it as an overpowered multiplier for the job you already have. Your day job is your highest paying client. Right now, you are trading 40 hours of your week for a fixed salary. But what if you could deliver the exact same amount of value or more in half the time? The traditional corporate mindset tells you that if you work faster and harder, you will get rewarded, right? But if you and I both know that that basically doesn't happen, and what actually happens is if you finish your work early, your boss just gives you more work for the exact same pay, right? So you get punished for being efficient. Corporate arbitrage flips the script, right? Arbitrage is a financial term for buying something cheap in one market and selling it high in another. In this case, you are using a free AI to do the heavy lifting of your job, and you are selling that finished work back to your employer at your full salary rate. You treat AI like a $100,000 executive assistant that literally works for free. You don't tell your boss you're using it. You don't even have to ask for permission. You just quietly automate your deliverables, maintain your high quality of work, and take your time back. Now, there's 3 steps to do this. The first step is the time audit. For the next 3 days, I want you to write down every single task you do that takes longer than 15 minutes. Drafting emails, summarizing meetings, formatting Excel spreadsheets, writing basic code, doing market research. You will quickly realize that 60% of your week is spent on mindless, repetitive formatting, not deep creative thinking. Okay, the second step, automate your baseline. Take those repetitive tasks and build custom AI prompts for them. If your boss asks for a weekly summary report that usually takes you 2 hours to format, dump your raw notes into an AI and tell it to format it into a professional executive summary. What took 2 hours now takes 2 minutes. If you write code, use AI to find your bugs. If you work in sales, use AI to draft personalized outreach templates for 50 clients at once. You are not replacing yourself. You are replacing the repetitive friction. You review the work, you edit it, and you send it. You just condensed a 40-hour work week into 15 hours of actual screen time. All right. The last and most important step is the silent upskill. This is where the wealth is actually built. You now have 25 hours of free time every single week. Do not use this time to scroll on your phone, please. Use this time to double your income. Since you already have everything you need and you're at your desk, you take on freelance clients doing the exact same work you do for your day job using the exact same AI workflows you just built. Or you use that time to acquire a high income skill like data analytics, cybersecurity, or advanced copywriting so you can job hop in 6 months for a massive 40% pay bump. Now, if we look at the numbers, right? It makes everything extremely concrete. Let's say you make $60,000 a year at your 9 to 5. If you work 40 hours a week, 50 weeks a year, your time is worth $30 an hour. Now, you apply the AI cheat code. You automate your busy work and get your required tasks done in 20 hours a week instead of 40. Your boss is still perfectly happy because your output is exactly the same. You are still getting paid $60,000, but because you are only actually working 20 hours, your hourly rate just skyrocketed to $60 an hour. Now, you take those 20 hours of freed up time and land a freelance contract or a remote part-time consulting gig paying you $3,000 a month. That right there is an extra $36,000 a year. You are still only working 40 hours a week in total. You haven't even sacrificed your evening. You haven't given up your weekends, but your total income just jumped from 60,000 to $96,000. You almost doubled your salary just by letting AI do all the busy work for you. So stop listening to fake gurus telling you to quit your job to sell drop shipped t-shirts, Your day job is the best cash flowing asset you have right now. Use AI to optimize it. Buy back your time and leverage that time to build real sustainable wealth. If you're going to use this strategy, let me know in the comments. And if you even have your own strategy, let me know in the comments what strategies you guys are going on and what you're using right now. And I'll let you guys know what I think. But I'll see you in the next one.